with Valiant and Victor, it had been designed to carry the British nuclear deterrent during the Cold War. Last year, 2014, it was 25 years since the fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989 and the collapse of the European communist regimes, which eventually ended the Cold War. But in the mid-60s, Vulcans handed over their awesome responsibility of carrying the nuclear deterrent forward. The Royal Navy took up that challenge, and the Vulcans became tactical, low-level, conventional bombers. And although still capable of carrying nuclear weapons, they also went on to become tankers and maritime reconnaissance aircraft. At that time, they changed colour from their brilliant anti-nuclear flash white to the current camouflage scene you see today. The colours on X-Ray Hotel 558 include the Lincoln coat of arms on the fin, the Panther's head of one group on the nose, and representing all the Vulcan squadrons. Please welcome Vulcan. At the end of the Vulcan's operational career in April 1982, supported by 11 Victors, Vulcan 607 hit the centerline of Port Stanley runway in air-to-air refuels.
Right, that's enough. What's it got?
This aircraft was the first B-2 version of Vulcan into Royal Air Force service. At the sharp end of the aircraft today, we've got Co-Captain Bill Perrins, a local lad, himself brought up in Belfast. Got his licence first in 1974, joined the Air Force in 75, spent 3 years on the Vulcan, including 4 of the Black Buck raids, although never actually making it to the Portrush himself. Went on to be an instructor at JP's at Linton and flew the Tornado F. The aircraft still in absolutely fantastic condition as a result of all the superb engineering that has gone into it, and enjoyed by around 3 million people every year. Every year, more and more people get involved, but this sadly will be the last. The Vulcan team and the Aviation Skills Partnership are going to create a new life for 558 as the dynamic centrepiece of the Etna project at Robin Hood and Vulcan to the Sky Trust. You can also check out the progress and the future of this aircraft at vulcansky.org. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter feed at X-Ray Hotel 558.